Yeah, so hello learners, welcome to the session. So in this video we will discuss the dimensions of learning. Okay, dimensions मतलब क्या, area. Okay, so what are the areas of learning? Or so dimension is a comprehensive framework model to help educators plan learning experiences for their students. So the goal of education is to enhance learning for all students, and here we have 5 dimension. Okay, so 5 dimensions. First one is attitude and perceptions. So the attitude of learners, their peers and teachers influence learning. Okay, and second is what, acquire and integrate new knowledge. Okay, so first one is attitudes and perception, and second is acquire and integrate new knowledge. So acquire and integrate new knowledge means it focuses on ways to help students acquire and retain the new knowledge. Okay, and learning requires both the acquisition of information and the ability to retrieve and reconstruct that information whenever necessary. So जो भी ज्ञान हमने, जो भी नॉलेज हमने एक्वायर की है उसको हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे एज अ न्यू नॉलेज. ओके, and there are two kinds of knowledge in this section of knowledge, that is declarative knowledge and procedural knowledge. Okay, and in the third section there is extend and refine knowledge. Okay, third point is what, so this is the third dimension, sorry. So till now we have discussed two dimension. First is attitudes and perception, second is acquire and integrate new knowledge, and this is the third one, that is extend and refine knowledge. So once new knowledge has been acquired and integrated, students need to develop in-depth understanding by extending the and refining the knowledge, so transforming the knowledge into another form. For example, visual arts, theater, drama, poetry, comparing, analyzing errors, abstracting, deductive reasoning. Okay, so these are what we have to extend and refine the knowledge which we have already acquired. Okay, and fourth dimension is what, use knowledge meaningfully. यूज़ नॉलेज मीनिंगफुली, दैट मीन्स जो भी हमने नॉलेज एक्वायर किया है टिल नाउ, अभी वो लर्नर्स जो होगा वो क्या करेंगे, इंटरनलाइज करेंगे नॉलेज को मोर इफेक्टिवली, सो व्हेन दे आर एबल टू यूज़ इट टू परफॉर्म अ मीनिंगफुल टास्क. जो भी नॉलेज हमने एक्वायर किया उसको हम मीनिंगफुल टास्क करने में उस नॉलेज को अप्लाई करेंगे. सो यूज़ नॉलेज मीनिंगफुली, दिस इज़ द फोर्थ डायमेंशन. ओके, तो इसमें क्या होगा, 6 रीजनिंग प्रोसेसेस है इस आर आइडेंटिफाइड इन दिस डायमेंशन. फर्स्ट वन इज डिसीजन मेकिंग, देन इन्वेंशन, एक्सपेरिमेंटल इंक्वायरी, problem solving, investigation, system analysis. Okay, so these are the 6 reasoning process in the fourth dimension, that is use knowledge meaningfully. Okay, इसमें बच्चा नॉलेज जो लिया है लर्नर्स उसको क्या करेगा, कोई मीनिंगफुल टास्क करने में उसको यूज़ करेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज़ पर्टिकुलरली फॉर द असेसमेंट सेक्शन, ये असेसमेंट में ही ज़्यादा यूज़ होगा. देन हैबिट्स ऑफ माइंड, दिस इज द लास्ट डिमेंशन वी हैव, हैबिट्स ऑफ माइंड. सो देयर आर kind of productive mental habits that successful learners utilize. So a habit of mind having a disposition toward behaving intelligently when confronted with problem, the answers to which are not immediately known. Okay, so the 3 major organizers are identified in habits of mind, that is critical thinking, creative thinking and self-regulated thinking. So these are all the what major organizer which are contained in the habits of mind. Okay, तो ये सारा मेंटल हैबिट रहेगा तभी लर्नर्स जो है वो सक्सेसफुली जो नॉलेज है वो उनको यूटिलाइज कर पाएंगे. अगर ये तीनों मेरे पास है, जैसे क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग एंड सेल्फ रेगुलेटेड थिंकिंग है, तो ही लर्निंग हो सकती है सक्सेसफुली. ओके, सो दीज आर कंसिडर्ड अंडर द डिमेंशन हैबिट्स ऑफ माइंड. So I hope guys all the dimensions of learning are clear to you. This is very important topic of B.Ed. Okay, in second semester usually it's there in your syllabus. So I hope this is clear to you now. And guys, please don't like to share, subscribe my channel. okay, and share it with your friends, and take care. Thank you.